Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Let's Simplify. What do you think of real estate as an asset class? आज की डेट में if you have to make a decision, which asset class do you prefer and why?
Has to be well balanced. I wouldn't want it to be as heavy as 40 to 50%. I would want an equal mix. I have heard multiple opinion about real estate as it should be only for your living purpose, your own house, right? I have also heard examples where real estate would have grown 30% CAGR. Again, it is both are extremes of their world. It's like investing in a small case or a small cap, which turns to be a multi-bagger. I'm not telling all real estate investments turn to be a 30% CAGR. Neither do all equity-based investments. So I think there has to be a balanced portfolio and a real estate which is taken care in terms of personal living for as your retirement house, as well as if you are using that as your rental income, which in Bangalore is good, helps, as well as if you're tying or any of the real estate for a goal, for example, your daughter's education or child's education, that can help. But again, if I can go back, I would want it to diversify in the first place rather than being in a position where I'm trying to diversify now.
What you've shared is a great learning. Your asset needs to pay you back. That's the essence of an asset. Like what you mentioned is कि हम बैंगलोर में अगर रियल एस्टेट ले रहे हैं, so the rental kickback is good, the rental yield is good. People, whenever they are buying assets, they sometimes just do it because किसी ने बोला है, उसका रिटर्न अच्छा होगा, गेन्स अच्छा होगा, बट उसका कैगर होगा,
और पीयर प्रेशर में फर्क.
हाँ, राइट.
किसी ने घर खरीद लिया तो मुझे भी खरीदना है. दैट्स सोशल स्टेटस और सेंस ऑफ अकम्प्लिशमेंट.
और मैं बोलूंगा पीयर प्रेशर आता है ये उन लड़कों से जो शुरू से ही फर्स्ट आ रहे हैं और
शुभायु टाइप के लोगों से मुझे लग रहा है
गिफ्ट खरीद रहे हैं या बीआईटी मेसरा से पास आउट होके स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं अपना.
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट आ